Hello, the following video covers everything you need to know to make the most out of the chat and platform functionality of the fair. To log in, please visit postgradlive.vfairs.com and enter the rep credentials added in step 5 of your virtual booth setup. You can access your chat room by visiting the exhibition hall, searching for your booth by using the arrows or the university's index and clicking the chat button in your navigation bar. This will open your public chat area, which will be visible to all your representatives and prospective students. Under Booth Reps Online, you will see all your reps currently logged in, and under Online Users, you will see all prospective students currently present in your chat room. To respond in your public chat, hover over the message and click Reply. You are able to test the chat function ahead of the fair, and any test messages will be cleared before the event opens. If you'd like to delete any messages on the day, please contact the Postgrad Live team within the help desk. You're also able to engage in private chats with prospective students currently present in your chat room. Simply find them in the online users list and click the Chat Now button. Both attendees and exhibitors can initiate conversations. Your private chats will show in the left-hand menu under Direct Messages. You'll receive a notification for any new messages, so ensure your device sound is on. Please note there is no limit to the number of private chats allowed. If you would like to initiate a video or audio call during a private chat, you can do so by clicking the phone and camera icons. Prospective students will have the choice to accept or reject your request. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please email events@finduniversity.com and we'll be more than happy to help.